What if I told you the future of technology isn't just coming, it's already here? From AI that writes stories, to quantum computers solving problems millions of times faster than today. The world is changing, fast. But how do you keep up? How do you make sense of it all? Welcome to EduAIverse, where we make future tech simple, useful, and exciting for everyone. Hi, I'm your guide here at EduAIverse, your go-to place for understanding the world of emerging technology. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a curious mind, or someone just trying to stay ahead, this channel is for you. We break down complex topics like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, edge computing, and sustainable tech in simple, easy-to-understand language. No jargon, no fluff. Just clear explanations, exciting trends, and real-world applications. At EduAIverse, you'll discover 1. How AI is transforming jobs and boosting creativity. 2. Why quantum computing might revolutionize medicine and energy. 3. What edge computing means and why it matters for your privacy. 4. And how technologies like spatial computing and automation are reshaping education, healthcare, and everyday life. Every video is built to inform and inspire. We connect the dots between what's happening in labs right now and how it's going to impact your life. We keep our language simple, our visuals engaging, and our insights reliable. No need to be a tech expert. We're here to help you learn, grow, and even future-proof your career. From bite-sized explainers to deep dives, we're recreating a universe of knowledge that's just a click away. Conclusion. So if you've ever felt left behind by fast-moving tech, if you're curious about where the world is headed, or if you just love learning about smart solutions shaping our future, subscribe to EduAIverse, where we turn complex tech into clear knowledge. Like the content, drop a comment, ask a question, or suggest a topic you'd like us to explore. This channel isn't just about videos, it's about community, curiosity, and conversation. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a glimpse into the future. Because the next big breakthrough might just start here. Welcome to EduAIverse. Explore the future today.